Hey boys and girls, my name is Matt Comer, and today I'm going to read you a book titled I Help by Margaret Terry. Now, while I'm reading this book, you'll notice my little arrow here wiggling around. I'm going to move it underneath the words that I'm reading so that you can follow along too. So, let's go ahead and practice. I Help. Now it's your turn. By Margaret Terry. Your turn. Good. Okay, so now we're going to read the rest of the book, and then when we're done reading, we'll go back and ask some questions about it. Before we start reading, there are some high-frequency words in this book that you're going to need to know. This says high-frequency words. Some of those words that you need to know are at, I, my. And then some concept words that you're going to need to know are help, mom, dad, grandmother, dog, teacher, coach, friend. So those are some words that you're going to need to know to really truly understand what this book is all about. There's a total of 28 words in this book. Let's get started. I'm going to read it first, and then you read it after me. I Help by Margaret Terry. Good. Let's turn the page. I help my mom. I help my dad. I help my grandmother. I help my dog. Now your turn. I help my teacher. I help my coach. And last page, I help my friend. Your turn. Okay, awesome, boys and girls. So you just did a great job reading along with me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to page number 3 and 4. And I'm just going to kind of ask you some questions, okay? Actually, in fact, let's go back to page 2 at the very beginning of the book because there's so many things that we can talk about. Look at page 2 here. There's a picture of a girl, and she is helping her mom. What I want you to do is I want you to think and try to answer aloud, what is this girl doing to help her mom? I'm going to put my finger on my noggin, and that lets you know that I am thinking and giving you enough time to think as well. Go ahead and go. What is this girl doing to help her mom? Okay, if you said that she was helping her mom print some paper or grab paper out of the printer, then you are absolutely correct. Good job. Now here it says, I help my dad. Now look in this picture. What is this person helping her dad do? Oh, time out. Hello? They're $8.99 for 20. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead and get me a pack. And I'll. Okay, cool. I'll pay her. All right, bye. Okay. All right, let's look on this page, page 3, and here it says, I help my dad. Now look in this picture. What is this girl doing to help her dad? If you answered that she's helping her dad make a sandwich, then you are correct. What kind of sandwich was that? Peanut butter and jelly? Yeah, I see the peanut butter here and the jelly here. All right, let's look on page 4. I help my grandmother. What is the girl doing to help her grandmother out? Yeah, you're right. She's helping her grandmother carry groceries. And the way that I know that is I can kind of see it looks like some grapes here at the top. I see some boxes and something that looks like a cylinder. That could be like a cereal box. But yeah, those are groceries. Do you help your parents or grandparents carry the groceries in? Because if you don't, maybe now's a good time to start that. Here we go. I help my dog. What is the girl doing on this picture that is helping her dog? Well, I see the girl's holding a bowl. Now, I can't necessarily see what's in it, but if I were to guess, it looks like there might be some water, and I think I see the dog sticking its tongue out. And most of the time, dogs probably don't eat with their tongue. They probably use their tongue to lick and drink the water up. So yeah, the girl is helping the dog by giving the dog water to drink, which is something important that we all need in order to live. Let's look here. It says, I help my teacher. What is this student doing to help her teacher out in this picture? You know, if you said that she is helping her teacher clean up, then you are absolutely correct. If you even gave some more detail, like she's helping her teacher by cleaning up the blocks on the floor, that's also correct. Good job. And here we go. I help my coach. What is the girl doing to help her coach in this picture? Yeah, you're right. She's helping the coach put the soccer balls into the bag. I'm assuming that bag is holding all the soccer balls so that they don't get lost and so the coach can bring them to and from practice every time they meet. And let's see, here's the last page. It says, I help my friend. Oh, wow. What is the girl doing on this picture? If you answered that she's helping her friend tie her friend's shoes, then you are absolutely correct. Raise your hand if you need help tying your shoes. If you have your hand up, that's okay. You know what? Everybody has to learn how to tie their shoes eventually, and maybe you have a friend that helps you at home or at school. But if you know how to tie shoes, then you are very special and very lucky because that is a hard skill to learn, and congratulations to you. If you do know how to tie shoes, be a helper, be a friend, and teach somebody else, just like somebody had to teach you. All right, boys and girls. Well, that's the end of our book. I hope you enjoyed reading with me today, and I really had a blast with you. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.